Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install Tidio on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, after logging into your Shopify store, go to your Shopify dashboard. And then from the left menu bar, click on the apps button. After clicking the apps button, open the App Store. Now the App Store has been opened. Here you have to search for Tidio, and after searching for it, install it. Now after it is successfully installed, configure the setting of Tidio. Choose at least one option. Configure the live chat, the color of the theme, avatar, language, and place information. Now click the continue button. So now the dashboard of Tidio is here. That's how you will install Tidio on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.